rolling in here.
What's up, guys? We're riding with clutch seat and we're sliding, baby. Let's go.
Hey man, it's beautiful outside today, and man, we're gonna take a day trip. We're going to my hometown, Beaumont, Texas. It's about 150 miles from Houston, and so we finna get on the road, me and another friend. We out here, we outside today. Come on, slide with me, man. And hey, we'll see you on the road. All right, man, we at this first gas stop, so we're gonna fill it up and put in that good stuff, that 93 octane. All right, we done caught up with my road dog, Jose. He already got his gas. We at the Shell. We finna get on the road, man.
I like your bike, man. Oh, thanks, man. Yeah, just getting out a little bit, man. Just getting away from the laps.
Yeah, Jose on this. Sports to 48, baby. And we getting ready to roll. We getting ready to roll, baby.
Butt hurt. Yeah.
No, I need my camera was falling, so I need to fix it right.
Oh yeah.
Okay. Curly's camera was falling, so we need to fix it real quick.
That train rolling now. We made a pit stop because my camera was falling off, so had to stop to get that fixed. Just had to tighten it down. It's back tight. So we finna get back on the road. All right, it's our second gas stop. I don't need gas. I'm still about a half a tank. But Jose over here on this 48, he gotta stop and get some gas, so we're gonna let him fill it up, and I'll probably catch the next gas stop.
Already full.
Huh?
Already done.
Oh, you done?
Yeah, that's it.
Dang. Oh, how much it take? $6?
That's it.
Oh,
and that's
man.
for a guy and a half.
For 93? No wonder you can't go that far. Jeez.
Right?
$6.
We in Beaumont. We're about to enjoy ourselves, eat some barbecue, sit around and listen to music, and have a good time.
Hey, we gotta stop. We got a lady with us. She gotta use the restroom. There's my brother in his in the follow car, so he gonna follow us. So we got a lip protection there. So hey, we gonna get back on the road. All right, baby, we just made it, man. It was about a 2.5 hour ride. We had to stop for gas probably 2 or 3 times. I only filled up once. My boy had to fill up twice, but that's okay. We wasn't in a rush. It's a beautiful day. We just out here and we outside, baby. We're in Beaumont, Texas, my hometown. We probably gonna go by the Harley dealership. Where it was sitting in the
building.
in the
It
shade.
burned the whole building down, though.
Oh,
It-
shoot.
It didn't have enough oxygen in there, so it burnt for a little while.
Wow.
And just fizzled on out.
So what he was saying,
And this way it burned up at.
Oh man.
So it's gonna be out some water.
Got your whole fairing, huh?
whole fan.
Wow.
This was on our
right, that's a beautiful bike.
man. The bike was. Like, I didn't know he ever showed you the pictures.
Nah. This the one I rode, huh?
Right. This is it.
I was just looking at this hill the other day.
Yeah, this the one I rode, and it was fine, clean.
Oh yeah, I like it way better than that Harley.
See, you don't need them bars no more on there, man.
Shit, I'm just like getting back on the road.
He just bought it back from the insurance company. See?
Yeah, I bought it back.
Yeah, that's the best thing to do.
Oh, you bought it back from the insurance company.
Yeah, once they told it out.
Right.
Charge you to get it back.
800.
Okay, shit.
Oh, I'd have took it back too.
But no, they talking about we're gonna send a truck to come get it and say, oh no. I said, I thought y'all was gonna. I said, I got too much money in that bike.
Right, they want to give you
Oh,
a couple of $1,000 and that's it.
That should take time.
Yeah, man. You ain't man. I thought for myself, man.
All it out.
Here we go.
Go take a look at it.
And what is this? Nobody. This is a.
Yamaha.
This the Yamaha we just looked at, the one burned up. But this the Harley.
Older than you are. Yeah.
Man, when the last time you rode?
Chucky in there, man.
When the last time you rode this thing?
Well, I rode to work about a month ago.
Oh, okay.
You know he's trying to get you out on. That's why he said that. Man, that thing's still clean. Look at that.
Yeah, it's clean.
Take a look at it.
Mm-hmm.
That thing clean.
Yeah, he a Harley man. He already know.
Yes, sir.
That's all. I take it.
So this a road glide?
Street light.
This street. Oh, okay. Oh yeah, the fairing turning with the bars.
You going street glide?
I'm going road.
Going road glide?
Yeah, I
You
won't.
rode one?
I think I rode street glide.
Yeah, but I'm gonna tell you, because that's what I wanted. But you are taller than me. What I didn't like about it, because I took one to Austin.
Right.
My bike was in the shop. My buddy said, man, just take my bike. I'm like, nah, I don't like messing with people's shit. You know?
Like me, I don't
And
like-
he said, man, take the goddamn bike, man. So I detailed it for him and took it up. What I didn't like being so short, all your controls and everything so far away.
For the reach.
Right.
Yeah, that
And
is
that's what-
one. That
That's
is
what
one of the
hurts you
things.
with being shorter.
Yeah.
Okay.
So you got to lean up to do whatever you want to do. To where on here, that's the only difference.
Right.
So
Yeah.
ride one.
Yeah, I'm gonna have to
before
ride
you make
one
that decision.
because my cousin bought a street glide, and I drove it home from the dealership.
You liked it?
The street glide was fine. I had no problem. But yeah, man.
Try this out next weekend.
But that's the thing, the reach, and you have to reach for
Because
it.
all your controls, everything is way up here.
So if you tall, got long
Ain't no
arms,
problem.
you good.
Yeah, that's
So I'm gonna have to ride one.
one
Then.
before you buy it.
Yes,
but I
sir.
like the way it looks better.
Yeah,
We
man.
said that one time we went to the dealership over there, Crossroads.
Yeah.
Found both of those. You saw that it was a bit further out.
Oh yeah.
That's a
They rolling in here. This is where we at, man. Cowboy. Harley Davidson, Beaumont, Texas. There you go, Derek. Hey.
Hey, how you doing now?
Look at that trike, that black one, man. That joke sweet, ain't it? See, I know, I mean the reach is for. The reach is for. I may have to start talking street glide then.
see what I'm talking about?
I know, the reach is far. Cause you sitting here, you gotta, but mostly everything right here too. You just have to learn how to, learn while you controls that here on the handlebar.
That's a long ass reach, dude.
Yeah, but you don't have to reach there, cause everything right here.
Right.
You have to just, anything you want to change on there, it's all in here. Look at that joke. Nice. You even got the ring. They on sale too, baby. Want a Harley ring? There you go. They say, let's ride, baby, let's ride. Where you want to go? There's a Harley anywhere you want to go. Yeah, I wouldn't want it because it don't have a fairing on it.
Right, that's what I'm looking at.
But other than that, I love it, man.
Got no shield on it.
Right, the fairing, you can put a windshield, but I'd rather get one that already have a fairing on it. Now, I had to come out here where the used ones, baby, where the used ones are. Look at that joke, sweet. Gray and blue. Some nice bars on there. Meat hooks. Look at this burgundy. Wow. Got that driver's backrest on it. Sweet. But I knew I wasn't gonna get out of here without buying something. So I bought a Harley shirt that had my hometown on it. All right, I found a shirt I like. Man, let me get out of here before I buy something. Look at this white one. This joke is sweet. I love those bags and pipes on that stuff. Yeah, this white one. Oh, everybody gonna like. That look like my boy chopper, don't it?
That thing clean.
This okay, this is a road glide. Oh yeah, got the driver backrest. That's what they're looking for. I mean, I'm cool with the I'm cool with the tour pack and all that, but I would want to take the tour pack on and off.
Yeah, that's what I'm gonna add to mine. Where you can turn the street light and then put the tour pack on.
Right.
Yeah, I don't like the rim. I don't like that.
Well, you can change the rim, baby.
Oh yeah, you can.
Get them jokers powder coated.
When you clean them up, they look different.
Right.
They look different.
All right, we stopped at one of my favorite places to get boudin, crackling, tamales. It's right here on I-10. Go to the left, it'll be I-10 West, and this is Lucas Street. And so you just come on over here. So if you're ever in Beaumont, this is where you want to come get your boudin and your crackling. And you come on over here, and this is what we got right here.
That's what I was thinking. I've seen, but I was thinking that.
You got your boudin. I could have got the smoked boudin, and I got the crackling. So hey, I'm gonna have to holler at y'all later, man. I'm finna eat. All right, we on this last gas stop. We're here at Exxon. So we're gonna hit this freeway, I-10 West, for about 200 miles, and we out of here, baby. All right, it took 862. We made it back to the house, man. It was a good 200-mile trip. Got to see a lot of good people in my hometown. We made it back safely. And hey, thanks for riding with me, man, keeping me company. My day trip turned into a night trip, but we made it back. Make sure you keep Twoz on the ground. And hey, we'll see you in the next one, man. Later.
Even when you feel low, you can still go. Even when you feel slow, you can